Corowa Rutherglen Football Netball Club. Our most important contribution to community is providing a safe and consistent place for our young people to play team sport, which is how we measure our success. And we are quite a big club, well in excess of 270 registered participants. The John Ford Oval is located on the banks of the Murray River, a decent drop punt from one end into the river. It means we have a beautiful setting, we've got a really picturesque ground, and that's both a blessing and a curse.
At the end of a great season, we had lots of success. We were flooded with the Murray River, reaching peak in November 2022. We prepared the club rooms as best we could, but unfortunately, they were up to a million metre high through the club rooms.
The damage was considerable. All cupboards, all non-concrete and brick flooring, all floor coverings, all roofing, all insulation had to be taken out. We went right through the 2024 season without a social space.
It just plays a really important part in the weekly life and routine of a lot of people. And even when we didn't play that year we had off, there were people who were a bit lost because there was no community to come to and to go back. There were so many people, particularly tradies and players, that were like, look, we will come and help you get this club off the ground. And so we knew that there were people in the community who really wanted to get in and help.
Dulux Colour Your Club is an initiative where smaller non-for-profit sporting clubs can apply for a substantial donation of paint to refresh their club. There's been a lot of people that have come together, plumbers, carpenters. It just feels really great to be part of that, and being part of Dulux, it's great to be able to give back to a small community like this.
Having Dulux come on board with Colour Your Club, it has been a huge contribution really, and it will just make those rooms like they're brand new.
We are absolutely thankful to Dulux and the people involved for their support. And simply, we think it'll make the biggest physical transformation to the club rooms. It'll be less of a historical mark for us.